Okay, these are the little parrotlets. A little dilute female on the right, and I think a regular turquoise on the left, although it could be a blue. Usually these parents have turquoise and dilute turquoise, though. Anyway, they are about 4 weeks and 4.5 weeks old right now, basically. Doing good. The dilute steps up really well. The other one not quite so well. And they're looking good. The dilute is actually eating a lot of food on her own, barely eating any hand feeding formula at this point, whereas the regular turquoise still eats like a horse and very, very little on its own. So other than that, they're looking good. And these are my 2 English budgies. The smaller one is only like 2 days less than the bigger one, but there's a huge difference in size. And the smaller one is going to be a really pretty little blue. Very bitey right now. And the bigger one is a really pretty gray. Going to have a very nice head. Will you stop biting me, little monster? Just hang on. Yeah. Nope. Hang on. Up. There you go. Okay. Cute little guys.